guys. So still, it's pretty much still Sunday, and it's a beautiful Sunday. It's nice. We're under a tree, nice and cool, not too hot. It's Mother's Day, Sunday, Mother's Day. So once again, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Make sure you guys call up on a mother. It's not too late. The day not done yet. So make sure you call up on a mother and tell them, wish them a happy Mother's Day. Thank them for whatever they have done for you. Make sure you do that. Go and go carry them out for dinner. Carry them, may I say, bring them some flowers or something. It's evening time now, so can't do lunch and breakfast, but you can do dinner. Too late. Just 5 o'clock, right? So yeah, all who never get for tell them mother happy Mother's Day and flowers and all of that. Day not finish, and you can still do that. So yeah, today's vlog, I post a video already pertaining to the Mother's Day thing this morning. My lip them dry, I'm not even sure. But yeah, I already post a video this morning pertaining to that. So this is just a second video I might post today. I may post this one, I may not, but if I do post it, I'll post it before the day is done. Yeah. So guys, me also telling you, just make sure heal up on the moms, alright? No matter what go on between, sometimes we have little issues and we don't talk to our parents and stuff like that. Talk to your mother your day now. You have little issues and arguments sometimes, talk to your parents, but nobody not there forever. Your mother can't leave you or you can't leave them. So just do the right thing and yeah, make sure you do your part as a child, or as the kids. Yeah. Yeah. Come on, me there heal up my mother. See her there. Yeah, this is how I'm there, pretty much that's how I'm there. Enough people pass through and heal up my mother already since I'm there. And but yeah, as me said, this part I might not put in. As a matter of fact, you know what? We're gonna put this in the vlog. I done talk to her already and she said I can put it in the vlog. So I'm gonna put it in the vlog. Yeah, man. She watch over away, But yeah, happy Mother's Day again to all the mothers, Enjoy the rest of the day. I hope you had a great day today. I hope the kids and family reach out. Today is just an easy day. I'm gonna drop a video this morning. I'm gonna drop this one. I'll drop this one later tonight, so you guys can see. As I said, the personal stuff, me not like put the personal stuff out there, but my vlog is pretty much what I do in a day, right? And this is what I'm doing today. So I know people might say the respecting this, that, yeah. But here what now? You know, me sit down and me pay my respects already. No whole lot of reason with my mother. So, you know, go and go attack the people them where have mother and them call them, right? Leave me alone. Might not put that part that come, I don't want to start no problem on YouTube. But yeah. But as far as the respecting, you know, me there now, I pay my respects to my mother. You know, she do a lot for me while she was living, and even now, she still a do for me, even although, you know, she passed and gone. There's a lot of things where me I do right now is because of her. Hence, she still a do for me. So yeah, man. Just a whole lot of reason, you know. Big up Miss RG, Miss G, Miss Wang, you know. But I never know me Chinese. So, my mother Chinese, you know. So, these are Jamaican Chinese. Yeah, man, but say feel up everybody out there, all of the fans, all of the subs, all of my people, all who know me, all who don't know me. Heal up. Yeah. Over there, I'm going all our vibes. All of the comments with my mother. Can't care go eat, but can bring flowers and all a reason, you know. Happy Mother's Day. Have a blessed day.